All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is reveal time. This is going to be the end of the video, but also its own little snippet. So, two 2026 Yamaha Wave Runner GP SVHOs. Let me show you what I did to them if you don't already know. All right, super slick. All day, baby. Looks great. I love the contrast. This one got super slick, and I installed and mounted a Garmin Striker 4 GPS and transducer. Looks great. Everything's good on this one. This one, much bigger deal. I painted this edge here. So I built custom speaker pods for the JL Audio M6 8.8s. As you can see, I did utilize the factory pods and added to them. This is, looks like I put a trim ring on it and bedlined it. That is not all that happened. Man, was this quite the job. So anyway, I made these speakers fit. These factory pods have a passive radiator in the bottom. If you don't know what that does, it just adds a lot of fullness to the sound, and I wanted to utilize that. But beyond that, the mounting system is why I used those pods as the base and didn't build custom pods from the ground up. I also installed the same Garmin Striker 4 and mounting system as I did on the other one, but this one got its transom mount on the port side here, just because there's an exhaust right there. Otherwise, I would have ran it all on the same side. Actually, I did. I just ran it over there and then down in the factory wire harness. I did ceramic coat most of this thing a couple days ago. He is going to put paint protective film on the front. I added these letters, which kind of look nice. And I installed a new jack with double wheels, because that is just the way to be. This thing also got all kinds of nice goodies, as you may have seen in the other video. But I put a 30 amp hour Life PO4 battery in there. It's also got a JL Audio amplifier. All the wiring. This wiring that's sticking out is so that he can set the LED color to whatever he wants. I put quick disconnects on that. Sealed marine style connectors. And then what else? Yeah, oh, I installed the Noco Genius 5 so that he can charge the lithium without having to worry about what charger needs to do it. So that's what's up with that. Two 2026 Yamaha GPS VHOs, donezo. I'll make this its own video and likely the end of the last one. So I'm Garry Dean. My company's Rapid Ride Rehab. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida, which is just, actually I'm on the edge of Spring Hill, just north of Land O'Lakes on US 41. The address is 12925 US 41. Spring Hill 34610. And give me a shout if you need anything done to your jet ski. I do not do a lot of mechanical work because I deal with a whole lot of cosmetic work and gear installs and that kind of thing. So if you got something you want installed or something you need custom built, give me a call, 813-846-4406. Thank you guys so very much for taking the time to listen to me babble. Have a wonderful day.